Hello students. In the last lecture we have discussed what is direction, definition and 5 points of its importance. Now in this lecture I will continue with the importance of directing 6th point. Let's see what it says. Effective utilization of resources. See, because of direction you are I know the situation. I'm well versed with the situation. I'm experienced. I'm guiding. So, whatever the resources, generally we say that resources are scarce. We have to utilize in a proper way. So, it helps to use the resources effectively by avoiding wastage or by minimizing wastage. Subordinates are guided to utilize the resources in best possible manner, which will increase the profit and reduces cost. Next, it creates team spirit. Team spirit, why we are saying direction focuses on motivating only the leader, not only carry out the work from his subordinate, but his job is to motivate them also to do that work. Suppose the particular person is not confident about his work, then it's the leader's responsibility, or we can say that he is responsible to carry out the work effectively. For sometimes he has to motivate. We come across in cricket match also, many times the match is not in our hand, or the situation is out of control. Many times just because of motivation, because of the way the captain encourages, many times गेलेली मॅच कशी होऊ शकते, आपण परत आपल्या फेवर मध्ये घेऊन येऊ शकतो. आणि अशा कितीतरी सिच्युएशन आहेत. इवन इन मेडिकल फील्ड ऑल्सो यू कॅन कम अक्रॉस विथ दिस. द कंडिशन ऑफ पेशंट इज सो क्रिटिकल that many times we see in the movies and serials that अब सब कुछ भगवान के हाथ में है and something like that. But if you are positive, many times this happens that you can fight against it. So it creates team spirit. Actually the organization work is a team work. It's not that की मी माझं काम करून जाते म्हणजे संपलं. इट्स अ टीम वर्क. और मी सेंचुरी करून गेले की संपलं, मग मॅच जिंकली असं नाही. सगळ्यांनी फिल्डिंग, बॉलिंग, बॅटिंग सगळ्यांनी चांगली करायची. सो इन द ऑर्गनायझेशन ऑल्सो इट्स वन टाइप ऑफ टीम वर्क. Group efforts or team spirit plays vital means important role in success of an organization. Therefore, role of manager as a director plays very important role in an organization. Next, it explores capabilities of individual. Every individual has various capabilities or potential. Many times there are some plus points, there are some negative points. So direction helps to identify, to find out what exactly his positive points, what exactly his negative points. You can encourage these positive points. You can find out the person is good in some particular work, so you can assign that work, you can motivate him, you can make use of all these things. So it explores capabilities of individuals. Okay, so many times because of direction, the leader, the manager will come to know some plus points of that person, which will be helpful for the organization. Next, it increases efficiency level. Efficiency म्हणजे काय, त्याची capacity. Why efficiency level is increased? Because guidance and motivation is given to subordinate to perform at their. Many times while giving direction, you have to motivate them, you have to guide them. Okay, so being a leader, team spirit should be created. You have to make them together, you have to create confidence among them. So obviously final result is it increases their efficiency level. Now the last point is cooperation. Cooperation is necessary for smooth flow of organizational activities. Cooperation means what? एकमेकांना help करणं. It should be created by managerial director from top level to bottom level management. Healthy cooperation and teamwork and higher efficiency level leads to attainment of goals. See, in direction you cover cooperation also. It's not like I am directing my students, but students are not cooperating. Then there is of no use if I am saying ki, this particular question is important, but or listen to this. And if you people are not listening, then it's not possible to carry on the work. Same way in the organization also, cooperation is very important. Students, with this we have finished the directing function. Now, in the next lecture, we will move on to the next function. Thank you.